Right, welcome back to the class. So now we're going to look at the REPT function, the repeat function. Repeat function is also a text function, and it helps to repeat text. Whatever you provide for it to repeat, it will repeat it in the number of times you ask it to be repeated. So it is useful for creating visual representations, padding text, or generating repeated patterns. Okay, so the syntax will be equals rept, repeat, rept, and then the text, and then the number of times. So the key features for this function is that it repeats text or symbol a specified number of times. It's used for data visualization, formatting, and text manipulation. Create quick and in-cell bar charts using, special characters. Um, if number of time is zero, then it will return empty. It can be used to standardize text formatting by padding values with spaces or dashes. Then, of course, repeat is a powerful tool for enhancing text formatting and data visualization in Excel. So now let's look at an example of the repeat function. So, so if you put equals REPT, your text may be maybe 8 and you want it to repeat it 10 times. So it's repeating values number 8 10 times. So you can say REPT, your text is A, and you ask it to repeat the A 10 times or maybe 18 times. So, sorry, the A is going to be in double quote because it's a text, it's a string, it's a text. So you can see that A has been repeated the number of times provided, which is 18 times. Value number 8 has been repeated 10 times. So that is the primary use. But you can also use it for other things. For instance, I have this product amount and I want to create an in-cell chart just to visualize the data. Okay, so I can easily say equals RPT and then provide my text. So my text I will use I can use this let's see, I use this symbol, that is the backslash. You use the shift key and the backslash value. So that's my symbol, that's my text, and number of times the number of this value. Okay, so I reference the amount and then I hit the enter key. So it's going to give me an in-cell chart. But you see that this seems to be too long and we can't see the end. So what I can do is I can come to this value and maybe divide by 10. So divide by 10, and then you can see that my in-cell chart has been reduced. So if I like, I can color this, I can make it this color, and then maybe give it a background, you know. Okay, maybe give it, I'll just use this. So this gives us an in-cell chart that represents the data for us. And of course, if you are not okay with the way it's displayed, you can always change the font to make it look a different way. So there are different fonts that you can look for. So like this makes it a little smaller. So I can increase the font size, and then so this is an in-cell chart, and so this is showing me that this is the highest, and then maybe followed by this, and then this, and then this. So you can see that we have an in-cell chart representing our data just by using the repeat function equals REPT. Then I provided my character, and then the number of times just divided by 10 is giving me that simple in-cell chart that we are seeing. Okay, so this is beautiful. So you can always do a lot of things in Excel, as much as you want it, using functions and other things. So this is where we're going to stop on REPT function, the REPT function. Bye for now.